Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Welcome back to EVS class. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 9, water. So the new words which we are going to see in this chapter, that is pond, lake and water pollution. So let's see water first. Here a small rhyme is written. I have no taste, I have no shape, I have no color, I have no odor. But you can touch me, you can see me and feel me, and you cannot live without me. Tell me, who am I? So who is telling this all things? The water. Water is telling, who am I? You know that water has no taste. पानी को टेस्ट होता है क्या खट्टा मीठा? No. पानी को कोई कलर होता है क्या? No. कोई शेप होता है? No. कोई ओडर होती है, कोई उसकी स्मेल होती है? No. You can touch. बट आप पानी को टच कर सकते हो. You can feel the water. बट यू कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट वाटर. आप पानी के बिना रह सकते हो क्या? नो. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स टेल मी हु एम आई. सो दिस इज अ वाटर. सो वाटर इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी फॉर लाइफ. ऑल लिविंग बींग्स नीड वाटर टू सर्वाइव. तो हर लिविंग बींग के लिए, चाहे प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, human beings, all needs water to survive. So what we have to do? We have to save water. Where do we get water from? We get water from rain, rivers, lake and ponds. These are known as sources of water. So from where we get water? We get water from the sources, and the sources are natural and man-made. Okay, there are two type of sources, natural and man-made. Natural sources: rivers, lake, ponds, waterfall, springs, seas and oceans, which are natural. Man-made sources: well, tube wells, overhead tanks, dams and reservoirs. So these are natural and man-made sources of water. So you can see here, this is known as well. You can see these in the villages. Then hand pump is there. This also you can see in the village. Then dam is there. Many dams are there. Then rain, barish is the main natural source of water. Then lake, ponds are there. Rivers are there. Then you can see the river in our Pune also. Then waterfall is there. Water from rivers, wells and beneath the earth's surface is taken out with the help of pipes and sent to our homes. In our homes, we can use it by running the taps. So ये जो रिजर्वायर्स है, यहाँ से सब पानी हमको फिल्टर होके हमारे घर में टैप्स में, नल में आता है. There is water in the river and water in the well. There is water in the pond in which by buckets suddenly fell. There is water in the sea and water in the sky. When rain falls down, there is nothing left dry. Okay? So, what is telling? in the rivers, well, ponds, in the seas, in the sky, there is a water. और जब बारिश आती है तो जो स्काई रहता है वो जब क्लाउड्स होते हैं, and then it will fall down and nothing left dry, और फिर कुछ भी सूखा नहीं रहता है. Then practice zone 1. Identify and write the name of the sources of water given below. You can see here the pictures are there. This first one is rain, second is dam, and third one is waterfall. So you can pause and complete. Now, uses of water. We use water for drinking, washing, bathing, mopping and cooking. So uses of water, हम काय के लिए water use करते हैं. Washing clothes, washing कपड़े धोना, cooking food पकाने के लिए, for drinking water पानी पीने के लिए, watering plants पानी देने के लिए, and then mopping मॉप करने के लिए, पोछा मारने के लिए. So for these all purpose we need water. Then water is also used for transportation and putting out fire. हमको transportation के लिए भी water is used. Ships में बड़े बड़े it's then to putting out fire. आग लगती है तो हम पानी से उसको खत्म करते हैं. Then water is also home for fish, turtles and ducks. तो वाटर जो है वो फिश और टर्टल्स जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स है, एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स मीन्स जो पानी में रहते हैं, जो वाटर एनिमल्स है, जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स है, जो प्लांट्स है, एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स, दे नीड वाटर टू सर्वाइव. वो पानी के बिना नहीं रह सकते हैं. So that purpose also we need water. Now practice zone 2. Match the picture given below with the uses of water. One has been done for you. So first one, what is it, for what purpose you need water for? Cooking. So here cooking is written and A is written. Second, what is she is washing a utensils. Utensils बोले तो बर्तन. So on the B, here it is cleaning utensils, B. Then what he is doing? He is doing a gardening. So C is here. Then what he is doing? Bathing. So here D is written. Then E, transportation, and F1, washing clothes. Okay. So you can pause and complete this practice zone 2. Hope you have understood. Complete your work. Take care. Thank you.